Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cinerai Lifestyle. Today I'll take you on a journey, but to where? Stay tuned and take a look with me. Welcome back to Alila Seminyak. This is my second visit to one of Bali's most peaceful beachside resorts. This time, I wanted to slow down, revisit familiar spaces, and see how the experience makes me feel now. We arrived at 11 p.m., a quiet check-in with the ocean nearby, waiting to welcome us back. The entryway welcomes us with simple Balinese touches, wooden shelves, soft lighting, and a quiet, uncluttered space. The living area is calm and open. 2 soft sofas, a simple table, and stone art that feels carefully placed, not rushed. The bed sits at the center, clean, minimal, with thoughtful bedside controls and small understated details. The bathroom is spacious with natural stone, soft textures, and the kind of light that makes you slow down. In the bathroom, you'll find Alila's signature amenities, locally made toiletries of subtle, natural scents. I'm not sure. Morning light, soft air, and a quiet walk through the garden. Feeling the warmth of the Bali sun and the soft weight of the humid air is the kind of heat that slows you down, reminding you that you're on vacation. Before breakfast, let's take a quiet walk through the property. Slow paths, soft gardens, and open spaces waiting to be explored. Stopping by one of the family pools, quiet in the morning with soft reflections and calm water waiting for the day to begin. The ocean in the morning feels different, calm, steady, and soft against the quiet breeze. It's a peaceful rhythm to start the day. Poolside near the temple, a quiet corner where the water, the garden, and the sacred space come together in a peaceful balance. Right outside SeaSalt, breakfast by the ocean with soft waves, open air, and the slow rhythm of the morning. Breakfast at SeaSalt offers both buffet and a la carte, Indonesian, Japanese, Western plates, and fresh fruits by the ocean. The breakfast bread features local tropical fruits, sweet papaya, fresh watermelon, dragon fruit, and juicy pineapple. Simple, refreshing, and perfect for slow mornings by the sea. Healthy dairy options include plain yogurt, fruit yogurt, fresh milk, and light cheeses. The Balinese section offers local flavors, nasi goreng, mie goreng, sauteed vegetables, and traditional condiments. Simple, warm dishes that bring a comforting taste of Bali to the morning table. Let's take a moment to view the lobby in the morning. Open air, soft breeze, the sound of the ocean just beyond. From here, you can see the beach and both wings of the hotel stretching gently toward the sea. The first time I came here, I thought about how beautiful it was to find a temple in the middle of the resort. It felt like a quiet spiritual connection, something deeply woven into the space, not separate from it. Poolside during the day, warm sun, soft breeze, and a cup of lemongrass ginger tea. Light, fragrant, and perfect for slow moments under the Bali sky. Now we're checking into our Oceanview suite, the same room we stayed in last time. Familiar, comforting, and quietly waiting for us once again. The layout and amenities feel just as we've remembered, simple, open, and thoughtfully designed. A familiar space with filtered water, soft linens, and quiet comforts that make the room feel like home. Now taking in the ocean view from our balcony. Soft waves, open skies, and the quiet rhythm of the sea. A peaceful moment to simply be still. The bathroom feels similar to the ground floor suite, spacious, minimal with familiar amenities and soft natural textures. A small garden adds a touch of privacy to the bathtub, quiet greenery that feels both open and protected, creating a peaceful space to unwind. Evening at the beach and quiet moments on the balcony. This second visit feels different, less about discovering something new, more about relaxing, returning, and simply being present. A rainy morning in Bali, soft, steady, and peaceful. The sound of the rain blends with the ocean, slowing everything down even more. Potato Head is quiet this morning. Empty loungers, soft waves, and a peaceful calm that feels different from its usual energy. Heading to SeaSalt for one last breakfast before checking out and continuing our journey to the Ritz-Carlton, Bali. Breakfast is a mix of healthy and soul-worthy. Fresh fruits, yogurt, and light options alongside warm, savory dishes that bring comfort and satisfaction. After breakfast, we took part in learning how to make traditional Hindu offerings, small, thoughtful gestures of gratitude. We placed them at the shrine before leaving, a quiet way to connect with the spirit of this place. As I left my offering, I felt a quiet sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the people who work here, for their kindness, and for the beauty of this place that gently welcomed us back. This second visit to Alila Seminyak felt familiar, calm, and quietly beautiful. It wasn't about discovering something new, it was about slowing down, reconnecting, and simply enjoying the rhythm of this place. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful travel moments. Thank you and have a great day.